So I had to do the one thing I did not want to do, and that is I had to buy a new phone because my iPhone 7 Plus that I've tried to take great care of since I've owned it is extremely, I would say it's damaged because of the port on it, the battery charging port. It will not hold the lightning cable, so I went and bought a new iPhone. So that's what I have here, and that is the latest model iPhone. And I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. I haven't done one of these unboxing videos in a very long time. I got this in the blue color only because I typically just get either the silver or gold. Well, I guess it's gold I would call it. That's the one I typically get. So that's what's here. I got the blue. I never really got a color like this before. The color I guess don't matter, but it'll help my phone to stand out in case I get absent-minded in a family setting and set it down. So there is the cord, whatever this thing is. I think it's a little booklet. Let me set the phone down. It says Class 1 laser information. Got an Apple sticker I never use. So let's set that over there. And here's the phone. It has a non-transparent protective covering on it. It feels pretty good in the hand. Let's go ahead and bring my old phone. So it's a little bigger. So after I take off the screen, I'll see what we have. Now, let me get the original box back, because this is the thing that really irritates me. So here's the original, the shipping box that it came in. It has all this paper in here, right? There's nothing else in that box. I'm going to set it off to the side. Here's the bottom of the box. And here is the top. Here is the cable. And here is the phone. You know what's not in here? A charging block. But that, what can you expect? So there. I'm not going to turn it on. Let's go ahead and do a comparison. I'll tell you what, maybe I will. See if it'll come on. Okay. So here it comes on. And what we'll do, the last thing, and there's the camera set up there, which I haven't really decided what I'm going to do, but let's do a quick screen side by side. And there's the iPhone 7, the white phone, and the darker colored phone in my left hand is the iPhone 12. And here are the backs of the phones. And here's the gold, rose gold on the right, and this blue color, I forget what they called it, on the left. Hopefully this phone will last me as long as iPhone 7. I just didn't want to spend money getting that phone repaired because every time I got updates for the phone, it just didn't get better. It seemed to be getting worse. One of the first things that happened with my iPhone 7 is the speaker stopped working properly, and then the microphone stopped working properly. And then after that, the battery stopped working properly, and the plug would not accept the whatever you call this lightning cable connection, wouldn't accept it anymore. But it's really crazy that they charge this much for this phone. I think it's $1,000, but you don't get a charging block. Is that not cheap? Well, that's it for my unboxing video. So I'm going to go ahead and get my phone set up. Have a nice day.